Hi everyone, welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to turn off the emergency call feature from the lock screen. This process is quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to your phone's settings. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open your settings menu. Next, go to the search menu and search for Emergency SOS. Now, tap on Emergency SOS. Here, you'll see several settings related to emergency functions. The key setting to focus on is the one that allows the emergency call to be triggered when you press the power button multiple times. All you need to do is turn off this option. Once that's done, you can go back to your home screen, and that will disable the emergency call feature from appearing on your lock screen. So now, your phone won't automatically dial emergency contacts when you repeatedly press the power button, preventing any accidental calls. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.